Today, we are running the Eagles Autism 5K in Philly at the link. Let's get it. I don't know if I should redline my heart and actually try to get maybe PR in the 5K, or at least on my Garmin. My body's kind of rocking right now. My knees are cooked. So we're gonna see how it goes. E-A-G-L-E-S Eagles! 2, 1, go! We decided to go with this 6:45 pace. We're gonna try to hold. Definitely redlining the heart here. Just finished up. Kind of redlined my heart a little bit. Got 6:50 pace, 21:38. We wanted the 6:45, kind of got caught up at the beginning. Now we're here. I already had a mango smoothie. Big ass hot dog. We made it to the field, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Comment below what you want to see from me next. Skydiving, bull riding. Got some things planned. Let's get it. Peace out.